$10 bill at the wishy-wash getting her clean. Another 25 more for some beer and some gasoline. When I'm ready to rock, she's ready to roll. It's a high-hole silver and away we go. Burning up the blacktop looking for a gravel road. Yeah, my old pickup truck never lets me down. She's got a four-wheel drive and wall-to-wall stereo sound. Yeah, she got a CB and a CD and an old 8-track. She's my honky-tonk country boy Cadillac. My old pickup truck never lets me down. Well, she takes me hunting and fishing anywhere that I wanna go. We ain't never been stuck in a flood, mud, sleet, or snow. She's got tiger paw tires that keep us on track. Got a cooler in the front and a bed in the back. Got my honky-tonk heroes rocking on the radio. Yeah, my old pickup truck never lets me down. She's got a four-wheel drive and wall-to-wall stereo sound. Yeah, she got a CB and a CD and an old 8-track. She's my honky-tonk country boy Cadillac. My old pickup truck never lets me down. Yeah, she got a CB and a CD and an old 8-track. She's my honky-tonk country boy Cadillac. My old pickup truck never lets me down.
Well, I got my first truck when I was 3. Drove 100,000 miles on my knees. Hauled marbles and rocks and thought twice before I hauled a Barbie doll bed for the girl next door. She tried to pay me with a kiss and I began to understand there's something women like about a pickup man.
Okay, this is Zion. They had a flood or a landslide here, I guess, about 3 weeks ago, and it wiped out part of the road in the Upper Canyon, so won't be able to drive out there.
Which means that conditions are favorable for the formation of tornadoes. For further weather updates, keep your radio tuned to Real Country KBI 94.
Now this has turned into the mosquito truck. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I still have good 200-300 mosquitoes in the truck, and they don't seem to want to go away because they like the shade. I tried opening it up and letting the breeze blow through, but nothing seems to work here. So the solution is just to hit the open road and see if they fly away. This is coming into Moncton, New Brunswick. This is one very narrow bridge. This is a really nice campsite. Actually, I always wanted to camp here. Just a real pretty area. It's about 2 miles up the Indian Creek Road. Powderhorn's up there, another 8 miles or so. Cook up some dinner tonight, probably some burritos, and hit the road early tomorrow morning.
When I turned 16, I saved a few $100. My first car was a pickup truck. I was cruising the town and the first girl I see was Bobby Joe Gentry, the homecoming queen. She flagged me down and climbed up in the cab and said, I never knew you were a pickup man. You can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill, and I still wouldn't trade it for a Coupe de Ville. I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, we wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. You're just something women like about a pickup man. Most Friday nights I can be found in the bed of my truck on an old Chase lounge. Backed into my spot at the drive-in show. You know, a cargo light gives off a romantic glow. I never have to wait in line at the popcorn stand, 'cause there's something women like about a pickup man. You can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill, and I still wouldn't trade it for a coupe de ville. I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, we wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. You're just something women like about a pickup man. Oh, stand on his own. A bucket of rust or a brand new machine, once around the block and you'll know what I mean. You can set my truck on fire and roll it down a hill, and I still wouldn't trade it for a coupe de ville. I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, we wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. Are just something women like about a pickup man. Yeah, there's something women like about a pickup man.